Let us have a quick review of tenses. Already you have done, you already know about tenses. Let's revise this. She dash London once a year. Once a year showing that it is a repeated action. In all these sentences, verb is same, visit. But you have to decide which tense you are to make use of. She dash London once a year. This once a year, this phrase is showing that this is her repeated action. In repeated action, we make use of simple present tense. And she is the third person singular, so we make use of S with the verb. She visits. Let us look at the second sentence. She dash currently dash London. Currently is showing that it is the continuous action. The action is continue at the time of speaking. So if we make use of continuous tense, she is currently visiting. These phrases currently, these days, nowadays, now, these shows that the action is continue. So we make use of continuous tense. She dashed London several times. In this sentence, it means that this action has already been done by her for so many times. So we make use of past perfect tense here. She has visited. Next, she dashed London since Monday. Here again, no tense, no mean to say second form of verb is not used, and since is showing that it is present perfect continuous tense, so we make use of she has been visiting. She dashed London 3 years ago. This 3 years ago, this word is showing that this action has already been done, completed. For this, we make use of simple past tense. She visited London. Ago is showing that it is past tense. Next sentence, she dashed London when she met him. When she met. This met is showing it is the past tense. Then she met, this is showing it is the past continuous tense. She was visiting. At that time, the action was continuing. She dashed London once before she finally moved to England. When the two actions are joined, two sentences are joined with the help of before, in one we make use of past perfect and in the second we make use of simple past. The action which has already been done, for that we make use of past perfect, and action which we are doing later, for the later action we make use of simple past. In this sentence, she dashed London. First she visited London and then she moved to England. So we make use of here past perfect tense. She had visited. Just like you can say, the patient had died before the doctor came. First action was the patient died, and then this later action was doctor came. She dashed London for a few days when she had to return home. Had to return home, this is showing it is the past tense, and for a few days it is showing it is perfect continuous tense, so we make use of had been visiting. Now let us discuss future tense. Next 9 sentences. She dash probably dash London next year. Probably next year is showing that it is future tense. She will probably visit London next year. She dash London this time next year. This time is showing that it is continuous tense, and next time is showing that it is future tense. So it is future continuous which we are to make use of. She will be visiting. London this time next year. She dashed London 6 times by the end of this year. By the end of this year is showing that it is future tense, and by 6 times is showing that it is future perfect tense. She will have visited. Next, by tomorrow morning, she dashed London for 5 days. For 5 days showing it is the perfect continuous tense, and by tomorrow is showing it is future tense. So we make use of she will have been visiting. Will have been visiting London for 5 days.